Three men stood at the very peak of Rome's power: Julius Caesar, Pompey the Great, and Marcus Crassus. Caesar, a brilliant, ambitious master strategist, was loved by the people. Pompey, a successful general called Pompey the Great, was respected for his skill and influence. Crassus, the richest man in Rome, used his wealth like a weapon to buy power and loyalty. Together, they formed the first triumvirate, a three-man alliance that bent the Roman Republic to their will. But when Crassus fell in battle, the balance shattered. Old allies became bitter rivals. Pompey drew closer to the Senate, while Caesar's triumphs in Gaul made him a hero to the people and a danger to Rome's elite. The Senate ordered Caesar to return without his army, but Caesar refused and he went against the Senate, igniting a civil war. In the end, Pompey was defeated, and now Rome burst with celebration for Caesar's victory. The streets echo with cheers, yet not all Romans are happy about it. In the shadows, the seeds of conspiracy are taking root.
It is the Feast of Lupercal, an ancient Roman festival celebrated in mid-February. This was a day of purification and fertility rituals where Romans would take to the streets in celebration. On this particular day, the people are especially excited because Julius Caesar has returned victorious to Rome.
Go home, you lazy people. Today's a holiday. Don't you know you're working men? You should not walk around on a workday without the tools of your trade. Hey you, what is your job?
Sir, I am a carpenter.
Then where's your leather apron and your measuring rule? Why are you dressed in your best clothes? And you, sir, what's your trade?
Well, sir, I suppose you would call me a cobbler.
Tell clearly, what is your trade?
You see, I fix bad souls.
What do you mean, you worthless fellow? What is your job?
Please don't get out with me, sir. But if you are out, I can mend you.
What? Mend me, you saucy fool?
Yes, sir. I fix shoes. I'm a cobbler.
So, you are a shoemaker then, Mo?
That's right, sir. All I live by is my tool. I don't interfere with other men's business or with women's business, just with my tool. I'm like a doctor for worn-out shoes. When shoes are in trouble, I bring them back to life. The best men in Rome walk around wearing shoes made by me.
Then why aren't you in your shop today? Why are you leading these men through the streets?
Honestly, sir, it's to wear out their shoes so I'll have more work later. But on a serious note, sir, we are on holiday. We came to see Caesar and celebrate his triumph.
Celebrate? Why? What victory has he brought home? What captives does he parade behind his chariot like real conquerors do? You blocks, you stones, you're worse than lifeless things. You hard-hearted men of Rome. Don't you remember Pompeii? So many times you climbed walls and towers, even rooftops, with your children in your arms, waiting the whole day just to see Pompey ride past. And when his chariot appeared, you cheered loudly. And now you put on your best clothes, make a holiday, and throw flowers in the path of the man who comes as a conqueror with the blood of Pompey's sons on your hands? Go home, fall to your knees, and pray to the gods to spare you from punishment for such shameful ingratitude.
Yes, go, good countrymen. For this offense, gather all poor men like yourselves, take them to the banks of the Tiber, and weep into the river until it rises high with your tears.
See how their guilty hearts are moved to silence? You go that way toward the Capitol, I'll go this way and take off the decorations.
Can we do that? Today's the Feast of Lupercal.
Doesn't matter. No statues should be dressed up with trophies for Caesar. I will drive people off the streets. You also do the same wherever you see a crowd. If we plug these growing feathers from Caesar's wings, he won't be able to soar so high. Otherwise, he'll rise above us all and keep us living in fearful slavery, eventually becoming a dictator.